Hello guys, I'm not gonna say chai pilo. Sorry for the back joke. So welcome to the video lecture series by the Access Maths Club MIT Academy of Engineering. So today we will having a look on probability, like what all questions of probability comes to an aptitude test, whether it's of Goldman Sachs or if it's of Microsoft or any other big MNC. So yeah, I have prepared some of the questions, and now we are gonna see that how we have to approach to any question regarding the topic probability. So excited? Yes, chalo, let's roll. So guys, as you can see, some of the famous questions of probability are the ball ones, and then the selection of balls or the selection of boys and girls. Then how can we arrange words, arrange the letter of the words, or any other words like university, or is it access, or is it like MIT Academy of Engineering. Then we are gonna see one example on binomial probability also. And so yeah, let's roll it. So I want to take a marker. Yeah, so just read out the question. The question is, a bag contains 2 red, 3 greens and 2 blue balls. Now, if it's saying that 2 balls are drawn at random, what is the probability that none of the balls are blue? So the question says that consider that you are a bag. Now you have a bag that consists of 2 red balls, 3 green balls and 2 blue balls. So in total you have 7 balls. So what is the probability that none of the ball drawn is blue? मतलब अगर आप ball बाहर निकाल रहे हो तो कोई भी ball blue ना हो. So yeah, now going to the solution for this question is, first you can try it yourself, but if in case you are stuck to any point, I'll give a step-to-step solution for this question. So if you would see, I'm sorry, really I'm sorry. So yeah, so here you can see that we have firstly said that we have firstly counted a total number of balls, that is actually 2 plus 3 plus 2, which is like 2 red balls, 3 green balls and 2 blue balls. So actually the count is 7. So let's consider the sample space. In that sample space, as it is been said that we are drawing 2 balls out of 7. So the number of ways to draw 2 balls out of 7 is 7c2. So actually it will be 21. Now the question was asked कि the probability that none of the ball drawn is blue. Okay, so here you can see the probability. We can find out we can approach this question in such a way that we can find the probability of ball drawn, the probability of red ball or green ball drawn. So total number of red and green ball here we get is 5. So probability of drawing 2 balls from 5 balls is 5c2. So therefore our answer will be 5c2 divided by the total number of outcomes, that is 7c2, which is actually 10 by 21. Okay, I hope I am clear. If you have any doubts, you can just ask the question in the comment section. Yeah. So now going on to the second question. The second question is, in a class there are 15 boys and 10 girls. 3 students are selected at random. The probability that 1 girl and 2 boys are selected is. So first try to how you are going to approach the question. Try it yourself. Then you can see the solution. You can pause the video and then you can see the solution. So yeah, the total number. So going to the solution, the total number of boys and total number of girls is, we have 25 students in the class. So selecting 3 students at random. So we all know this, as we have done in the earlier example in which you were selecting 2 balls out of 7. So in the same way we need to select 3 students out of 25. So it will be 25c3, which is actually 2300. Now going to the solution, that is the probability that 1 girl and 2 boys are selected. So there are altogether 10 girls and there are 15 boys. So the probability of selecting 1 girl and 2 boys are 10c1 into 15c2. Now suppose you have a question like 3 students are to be selected, and out of the 3 you can have at most 2 boys. At most 2 boys, that means you can have 0 boys also, you can have 1 boy also, you can have 2 boys also. So for that type of question you need to just see as there are 3 students. So if there are 0 boys, then definitely there would be 3 girls. So when there is 1 boy, there would be 2 girls, and when there are 2 boys, there would be 1 girl. So for that case, the NE will be 10c3 into 15c0 plus 10c1 into 15c2 plus 10c2 into 15c1. So what all things, so the calculation you will get a proper answer, and then you can find the probability of the event. That would be any divided by ns. So in this case it's coming to be 21 by 46. I hope I'm clear. So yeah, now moving to the next question. It's a very easy one. Question is, find the probability that in a random arrangement of letter of the words university, the two i's come together. So the question is, you need to find such words, such number of words in which two I come together with that you can form with the help of the word university. So in this all types of question of random arrangement of letters of the word, so you just need to find the length of the word. In this case, the length of university is 10, and you just need to count all those letters that are repeating. Here in this case, I is repeating twice. So here our ns will be, that is the total number of that event can happen, is 10 factorial divided by 2 factorials. But suppose you have another word, suppose that consists of 2 i's and 2 s's. So here in this case I and s are repeating twice, and the length of the word is 11. So here, on that case your ns will be 11 factorial because of its end divided by 2 factorial into 2 factorial. The first 2 factorial is cause of I, and the another 2 factorial is because there are 2 s. So now seeing the solution, as you can see here, ns is 10 factorial divided by 2 factorial. So now it's been stated there you have 10 spaces and 2 spaces are occupied by I. So rest all you have 8 spaces. That 8 spaces, in that 8 spaces the letter can be arranged in how many ways? That is exactly the 8 factorials. But here we will consider both the I as a single word, as they should be kept together as stated in the question. So in together we have 9 ways, number of ways of arrangement will be 9, because those 8 spaces and both the i's together is a single word. So in this case it will be 9 factorial. So our nx will be 9 factorial. So hence our required probability will be nx upon nx, that is 9 factorial divided by 10 factorial divided by 2 factorial, which actually after computation comes out to be 1 by 5. Okay. In this question we can notice that it was stated that two I should come together. But if we remove that part of the question, so here we can get 10 factorial, cause now it's not compulsory that both the i's should be kept together. So there are 10 spaces and 10 different words, they can arrange in 10 different ways. So it would be 10 factorial. Okay. So then if that part is removed, then also the answer will change. It will be like 10 factorial divided by 10 factorial divided by 2 factorial. Okay, I hope I am clear. As I've stated in the starting of the video, we will see a question on binomial probability. So I'm writing a formula for solving any question on binomial probability. It would be really helpful if you could write the formula. The formula is NCR p raised to the power r into p raised to the power r into q raised to the power n minus r. So here p is the happening of any event and q is the negation of happening of that event. So now going on to the question. The question is the probability that the student is not a swimmer is 1 by 5. So in this question the q is given to us. So q is 1 by 5. So q equal to 1 by 5. 1 by 5. Yeah. Then the probability that out of 5 students, 4 students are swimmers. So here also we have n is also given to us. So n is equal to 5 and r is equal to 4. We just need to find p, and then we need to just find it. We just need to apply the whole form. So to find p, there is a simple equation that is p plus q equal to 1. As we all are aware, the happening of any event, the negation of happening of Indian. If when we add both these two probability, that sum is always equal to 1. So with the help of this formula, we can find the value of p. So here you can see we have found the value of p, that is actually 4 by 5. Now just applying the simple formula, that is NCR q raised to the power n minus r. As in multiplication, you can write q first or q last, it doesn't matter, into p raised to the power r. So 5c4 into 1 by 5 raised to the power 1 into 4 by 5 raised to the power 4. So by this way you can get your answer. So that was the last question for our video. I hope you guys I hope you guys like this video and you might have gained some knowledge on probability. If you guys have any doubt, you can just put it on the comment section. Thank you. Have a great day ahead.